Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log out of VK account. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch VK application on your mobile device. Now over here, if you are logged into your account, let me simply show you how you can log out. Now at the top left corner of your screen, just beside home, you can see a circle icon with your profile picture on it. Now simply tap on that circle icon. With that, you'll be led to this page. Now at the top right corner of your screen, you can see 3 horizontal dots. Simply tap on it. With that, you'll see various options. Now simply tap on settings with the gear icon on it. Here we go. Now once you are here on the settings page, simply scroll down below till the bottom and you'll see the option of sign out. Tap on it. With that, you'll see other options like add account, clear cache. But for now, as we're about to log out, simply tap at the option of sign out at the bottom of your screen. And now within a matter of seconds, you'll be logged out of your account. If you want to log in, you can see your details over here and simply tap on continue. You can also tap on sign in to another account if you wish to log in to another VK account that you own. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to log out of your VK account. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.